Design. The 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport arrives with a bolder, sharper, and more muscular design that pushes it further into the modern SUV arena. Its front fascia features a stronger interpretation of Mitsubishi's dynamic shield identity, with a wider grille, slimmer LED headlamps, and a more aerodynamic body shape. The side profile stands out with refined sculpting, slightly wider arches, and a more athletic stance that enhances its off-road presence while still feeling premium. The rear receives updated LED tail lamps and a cleaner, more sophisticated layout, giving the SUV a balanced mix of rugged toughness and urban appeal. Interior. Inside, the 2026 Pajero Sport focuses on comfort, technology, and upscale refinement. The cabin uses high-quality materials, soft touch panels, improved seat cushioning, and a more modern dashboard design. A large digital instrument cluster and a wider infotainment display dominate the cockpit, offering smooth connectivity and improved visibility. Updated climate controls, improved ambient lighting, and more spacious second-row seating elevate the driving and passenger experience. Practicality remains a highlight with generous cargo space and multiple storage compartments designed for family and adventure use. Performance. The 2026 model continues its reputation for dependable performance by offering a refined diesel powertrain paired with a responsive automatic transmission. Enhanced torque delivery improves both towing power and off-road capability. Mitsubishi's Super Select 4WD2 system ensures confident handling on gravel, mud, snow, or highway conditions. Suspension tuning has been improved for a smoother ride, while better sound insulation enhances cabin quietness during long journeys. Fuel efficiency also sees mild optimization, making it a balanced performer for daily drives and rugged expeditions. Safety features. Safety takes a leap forward with advanced driver assistance technologies integrated throughout the SUV. The 2026 Pajero Sport includes adaptive cruise control, forward collision mitigation, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system for improved low-speed visibility. Strong structural reinforcement and additional airbags offer improved crash protection, while new parking assistance features make maneuvering easier in tight spaces. Market position. In the competitive midsize SUV segment, the 2026 Pajero Sport continues to position itself as a capable, reliable, and adventure-ready option that appeals to families, enthusiasts, and off-road travelers. It competes effectively with rivals by offering a blend of rugged performance, premium comfort, and strong value for money. Mitsubishi's reputation for durability further strengthens its standing in global markets. Outro. The 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport carries forward its legacy with modern design, enhanced comfort, upgraded safety, and proven performance. It remains a confident choice for drivers seeking a versatile SUV that can handle both everyday duties and adventurous journeys with ease.